0 minus f squared minus g squared minus 0 equal to 0. Further, minus f square and minus g square we transport to a RHS, we get 1 equal to f square plus g square as a solution. Therefore, here right option is from Suresh Angadi Education Foundations, Angadi College of Commerce and Science, Sangav Road, Belgavi. Today in this class we discuss continuity of a last topic, that is pair of lines part 2. So in our last class we have discussed basic terminologies, some notes, those are related to pair of lines. Now we will discuss some more multiple choice questions based on pair of lines it is. So first question, the sum of the slopes of the lines represented by 4x square plus 2hxy minus 7y square equal to 0 is equal to the product of the slopes, then h equal to. So given equation is here, the given equation is 4x square plus 2hxy minus 7y square equal to 0. Then it is given that product of slopes, we take it as a m1 and m2 are the slopes. And we have discussed product of slopes is given by the equation m1 is multiplied by m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. Okay, this is equal to minus 2h. In this equation h only it is h, b value is minus 7. So we get simplification as minus minus get cancels, we get 2h divided by 7 as m1 plus m2. Now we will take product of slopes m1 into m2 equal to, it is a divided by b. Okay, so a in this example is 4, b is minus 7. So it is given that in the equation sum of slopes is equal to the product of slopes m1 into m2. Okay, so it is a 2h divided by 7 from a first equation, and m1 into m2 is given by the expression 4 divided by minus 7. So 7 get cancels, so we get h equal to simplification as minus 2. Okay, so we get solution for h as minus 2. Therefore right option is option D, h equal to minus 2 is a right answer. Okay. Now we will move to a next example. If the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 1 equal to 0 represents a pair of lines, then we have to write a relation between f and g. Okay. So the given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 1 is equal to 0. Further, this represents a pair of lines if there exists one more equation abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square next ch square equal to 0. Now we have to write the values of A, B, C and F, G, H, and we have to substitute in this equation. Last class so many examples we have solved depending on this formula. So directly I take A, B, C and F, G, H. We get 1 plus 0 minus F square minus G square minus 0 equal to 0. Further, minus F square and minus G square we transport to a RHS, we get 1 equal to F square plus G square as a solution. Therefore, here right option is option B, F square plus G square equal to 1. So, B is a right answer. We'll move to a next example. Equation of the separate lines of the pair of lines whose equation is x square minus xy minus 12y square equal to 0. Okay. So here there is a correction in an equation. We'll take it as a plus. Okay. So given equation is x square plus xy minus 12y square equal to 0. Further, we have to treat this as a quadratic equation. So, multiplication we want a 12, addition or subtraction we want a plus 1. So, this can be written as 4 3s and 12. So next step we get x square plus 4xy minus 3xy minus 12y square equal to 0. 4 3s are minus 12. 4 minus 3 we get a plus 1. Further, we take x common from the first two terms. We get x into x plus 4y. And we will take minus 3y common from a second equation. We get 3y into it is x plus 4y equal to 0. Now we can take x plus 4y common from both the terms. We get x plus 4y is a one factor and we get x minus 3y as a second factor. Now first factor equated to 0, we get x plus 4y equal to 0. Similarly, we have to equate second factor to 0, so we get x minus 3y equal to 0. Therefore, it is a clearly option A, x plus 4y equal to 0, x minus 3y equal to 0 is a right answer. Okay. We'll move to our next example. If the slope of the one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is 5 times the other, then we have to write a relation between x square and ab in following equations here, right? So we'll write an equation first. So equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then slopes sum is given by m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. Similarly, m1 into m2 is given by a divided by b. These are discussed in a previous video notes. The people who are new to this video kindly go through it. Okay. Now they are given that one line is 5 times the other, so it is a slope. So we can write that as first slope equal to 5 times the second slope. Okay, so this value will substitute in the previous both equation, this and this. We get this as 6 m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b. Similarly, and here we get 5 m2 square equal to a divided by b. Both these equation we call it as equation 1. Further, we'll square the first equation, so we get 36 m2 square equal to 4h square divided by b square. Okay, now we'll use in equation 1. Okay, now using equation 1, that is, see this m square value, we have to, this m square value here it is, so this value we have to substitute in this equation. So resulting equation is 36 times a divided by 5b equal to 4 times h square minus, divided by b square. So now further simplification, we get this as 5h square equal to 9 times ab. So we get 5h square equal to 9 times ab. Therefore, right option is option A, 5h square equal to 9ab. Yes. So we'll move to a next example. If ax square minus y square plus 4x minus y equal to 0 represents a pair of lines, then a is equal to. So first we'll write a given equation. Yes. So equation is ax square minus y square plus 4x minus y equal to 0. On a comparison, we'll write the values of a, b, c and f, g, h. Okay, several examples we have studied. So once again I am writing all these values. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 0, f equal to minus half, g equal to 2, h equal to, it is a 0. Okay, further we have to substitute these equation in another equation. That equation is a b c plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the values of ABC and FGH in this equation. So after simplifying, we get this as 0 plus 0 a divided by 4 plus 4 plus 0 equal to 0 it is. So if we simplify this equation, we get the value of a equal to, it is a plus 16. A equal to plus 16. Therefore, option B, a equal to 16 is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Distance between the pair of parallel lines x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 8ax minus 8ay minus 9a square equal to 0 is. So first we'll write a given equation. It is x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 8ax minus 8ay minus 9a square equal to 0. So further, we can write, looking at these three terms, it is an expansion of x plus y whole square. We write that it is x plus y whole square. Then further remaining these two terms, 8a is common. We'll take 8a common. We get x plus y, and we left with the last term, that is minus 9a square equal to 0. So further, yes, so this is sum a square minus 2ab minus b square, like this. Okay, so this can be further written as x plus y minus 9a x plus y plus a. Okay, if you simplify further, we get these two factors. So now first factor equated to 0, we get x plus y minus 9a equal to 0, and second factor equated to 0, x plus y plus a equal to 0 it is. Now distance, will write distance between these lines. We write distance between these lines, it is given by equal to modulus sign. So these two are parallel. Yes, so it is minus 9a. You have to subtract it. So minus 9a minus into plus minus a divided by under this square root of, you can take any equation, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, it is root of 1 plus 1. So we get, if you remove modulus, negative quantity we have to take it as a positive one. So we get 10a whole divided by root 2. Further, this can be written as 5 root 2a. Okay, 5 root 2a. Therefore, right option is, it is option D, 5 root 2a is a correct answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Example number 17. If the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other if, so it is our standard note, if two lines are perpendicular, so then there exists one relation, a plus b is equal to 0 here. This is the standard result where a is a x square coefficient and b is a y square coefficient. Therefore 17a, question number 17, a is the right option. Right, we move to a next. The area enclosed by the pair of lines xy equal to 0, the lines x minus 4 equal to 0 and y plus 5 equal to 0 is, that is, we have to represent this diagrammatically, and then further we need to simplify this. So this is like this, so it is like this, two pair of lines. Here intersection I take x equal to 4 it is, so this is a point C, okay, and this is a O, okay, intersection, and then below A, and then it is a B, and here y coordinate it is minus 5 is. Further we observe that here it is given xy equal to 0, we'll take that. So that means first factor equated to 0, x equal to 0, and second factor equated to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore here it represents, this is a origin. Now we'll write required area enclosed by these two lines. So required area of ABCO is given by ABCO. It is a rectangle in shape. Length into breadth, that is OA is multiplied by OC. It is okay. So OA, the length is 5 unit here. So y-axis 5 unit, x-axis 4 unit it is. So it is 5 is multiplied by 4. So we get 20 square units as a multiplication. Therefore, right option is option B, 20 square units it is. Okay. We'll move to a next example. If the pair of lines, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 intersect on y-axis. So it is a standard result. If it is intersect y-axis, and in a standard, that is in a notes we have discussed such type of formula. If it is this equation, the condition for the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 to intersect on y-axis is given by the formula f square equal to bc, and one more equation we have 2fgh is equal to bg square plus ch square. These notes we have discussed. Therefore, here first one f square we don't find it. Second one, this equation will get it in option A. Therefore, option A is a right answer. Okay. Next, example number 21. The pair of lines represented by 3ax square plus 5xy plus a square minus 2 into y square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other for following options we have to examine. Now solution for that is, the line will be perpendicular if there exists one relation, if coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. In this equation, the coefficient of x square is 3a and plus coefficient of y square, it is a square minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So here we clearly observe that this gives us two real value solutions here, because it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation leads to a two solution. So here in option A, two values of A, that is option A is a right answer. Yes. We'll move to a next example. If the sum of slopes of lines given by x square minus 2cxy minus 7y square equal to 0 is 4 times their product, then C has values. Okay, so first we'll write the equation. So it is x square minus 2cxy minus 7y square equal to 0. Okay, and we have to compare it with the standard equation, and we have to write the values of AH and B. So in this equation, A equal to 1, H equal to minus 3 and B equal to, it is minus 7. Further, we'll find sum of slopes, that is m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. This is equal to minus 2h divided by b. So in this equation, h equal to minus c, yes, minus c we get it, b equal to, it is a 7. Okay, here it must be a plus. Okay, further we'll write product of slopes m1 into m2 equal to a divided by b. A equal to 1 in this example, b equal to minus 7. We substitute, we get m1 is multiplied by m2 equal to minus 1 divided by 7 it is. So further it is a given that the relation between a sum and a product is given by, see, sum of slopes is equal to 4 times its product. So 4 times m1 m2. Previously we have calculated m1 into m2 and m1 plus m2. We substitute these, we get minus 2c divided by 7 equal to, so minus 4 divided by 7 it is. 7 get cancels, so we get c equal to 2 it is. So we get the value of c equal to 2. Therefore correct option is option C. 2 is a right answer. We'll move to our next example. If the pair of lines ax square plus 2a plus b xy plus by square equal to 0 lie along diameters of a circle and divide this circle into 4 sectors such that the area one of these sectors is thrice the second of another sector, then which of the following option is right? We have to find it. Okay, so now we'll write a related formula. Angle between pair of lines, it is pi by 4. Okay, it is a given angle between a pair of lines, that is a theta equal to, it is pi divided by 4. Now we'll write a formula. It is tan theta equal to 2 times under the square root of h square minus ab whole divided by, it is a plus b. Okay, so further tan theta is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1, so 1 equal to 2 times under the square root of h square minus ab, is divided by a plus b. So a plus b will transport to LHS and squaring, we get a plus b whole square equal to 4 times, it is a plus b whole square minus ab it is. So h is a plus b it is. So if we simplify this equation, we get 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square equal to 0. Therefore option B, 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square is a right answer. B is a right answer. Okay. One more last example. If the angle between the pair of lines, so it is a given, is tan inverse 1 by 3, where lambda is a non-negative real number, then we have to calculate the value of a lambda. Now we'll write the given equation. The given equation is x square minus 3xy plus lambda y square plus 3x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 it is. Further, comparing with the standard equation, we'll write a, b, c and f, g, h values. So we get a equal to 1, b equal to lambda, c equal to 2, f equal to minus 5 by 2, g equal to 3 by 2, h equal to it is minus 3 by 2. And using this, so we can write tan theta equal to 1 by 3. So we will equate it here with the theta. So tan theta we get it as a 1 by 3. Further, we'll take the formula tan theta equal to 2 times under the square root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Now we'll substitute the values of a tan theta, abc and fgh, and we get next step as 1 by 3 equal to 2 times under the square root of 9 by 4 minus lambda whole divided by 1 plus lambda. Okay, so cross multiplying and squaring, we get 9 times 9 minus 4 lambda is equal to 1 plus lambda whole square. Now expanding RHS and simplifying, we get lambda square plus 38 lambda minus 80 equal to 0. Therefore, further solution for a lambda is, it is a 2 and it is minus 40. So minus 40 is a negative number, we have to avoid it. Therefore, right option is A. Right option is A. It is a 2. Okay, like this we have solved some examples based on pair of lines. So in the next session, once again we come with a new topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.